Today we're going to be touring a $2.2 million home with 5 beds, 5 baths on just over 4,700 square feet. Tons of space with this continuous layout. It's not staged, that's why it's so open. This is where your dining room would be. You got your living area right here with gorgeous built-ins along the side of the wall. Floor to ceiling windows overlooking your backyard. You got this beautiful white quartz throughout. Chef grade Wolf appliances. Stackable oven. Hidden freezer and fridge. Pantry here. A dog washing station. Mudroom is oversized. You've got this beautiful ambient lighting throughout the whole house. Got this white granite throughout. Tower has this beautiful herringbone tiling. Getting above that price range of 1.5 million. Most of the closets are going to be finished. Jack and Jill style bedrooms that share this bathroom. Got tons of entertainment space. Got a whole wet bar here with your wine fridge. This would be a shared bathroom. Could be used as a bedroom, but there's no windows. Could use it for a gym. How could it not be complete without your sauna? Get a good sweat on in here.